Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is transversal and pair of lines. So it's a new topic to you. So let us first understand what is a transversal. If a line intersects two or more lines, if a line intersects two or more than two lines at different points, the points must be different, so that line will be called the transversal. For example, in this figure number 1, this P is intersecting the line M and N, two different lines at different points, two lines at different points. So here the P is the transversal to line M and N. In the second case, you can see there are three different lines L, M and N. Okay, so this P is intersecting these three lines at different points. So again the P is transversal to the line L, M and N. In this case, L and M are the two lines, but P is not a transversal in this case. Why? Because this P is intersecting both the lines L and M at a common point, not different points. So if this P is not intersecting these two lines L and M at different points, so it is not a transversal line. So only one and second case is the transversal line, third case P is not the transversal line. Now let us come to worksheet 1, in which 6 figures are given and you have to say whether the T transversal, T is mentioned here, which is representing the transversal. You have to check for T only, whether T is transversal or not. So in the first case, it is intersecting only one line, but what criteria it should fulfill? The first one, it should intersect two or more than two lines. So it is intersecting only one line, so it is not a transversal. Here the T is intersecting only one line, that is M. So you can see like this, T is intersecting only one line, that is M. So in this case also T is not a transversal. In the third case, you can see T is intersecting the three lines U, V and W at three different points. So in this case, T is a transversal. Coming to the next one, T is intersecting two lines M and N, but not at different point. It is intersecting at a same point. So this is also, here also T is not the transversal. Now in this case, you look over here, this T is bisecting intersecting three lines A, B and C, but two lines it is intersecting at different points and the third line has a common point. So we can say that it is intersecting the two lines at two different points. So in this case, T is also a transversal. It doesn't matter the third line it is intersecting, which is coincidence with the first line. So it doesn't matter. It is intersecting two lines. This T is intersecting two lines at two different points. So it is a transversal. Second case also, this L and M, two lines, this T is intersecting two lines at two different points. So this is also, in this case also, T is a transversal. So this is what you should know about the transversal line. Transversal line is a line which intersects two or more given lines at different points.